Hello once again, Teacher Jerry here, all the way from Murata Academic Center. Safi kabisa, Teacher Jerry tena kwa mara nyingine kutoka Murata Academic Center. Karibu tena kwenye vipindi vyetu vya mtandaoni vya kujifunza somo la Kiingereza, yani online English course. Tukiwa tunaendelea na mada yetu ya tense kwa Kiswahili, wakati tupo kwenye kipengele cha kuchambua sasa types of tense, aina za wakati, ambapo tunaenda kuanza na aina ya kwanza, the first type, which is present tense. Present tense. Are you ready? Very good. Let's go. Present tense is the type of tense used to show actions which are happening now. Present tense is the type of tense used to show actions which are happening now. Present tense can also be used to describe habits, facts, or unchanging situations. Tusome wote vizuri, si ndio wanafunzi Twende kazi. Present tense is the type of tense used to show actions which are happening now. Present tense is the type of tense used to show actions which are happening now. Tafsiri yake kwa Kiswahili ni nini? Present tense ni aina ya wakati unaotumika kuonyesha matendo ambayo yanafanyika sasa hivi. Present tense is the type of tense. Present tense ni aina ya wakati used to show, unaotumika kuonyesha actions, matendo, which are happening now, ambayo yanafanyika sasa hivi. Tumeelewana vizuri hapo? Tuendelee. Present tense can also be used. Present tense can also be used to describe habits, facts, or unchanging situations. Present tense can also be used to describe habits, facts, or unchanging situations. Tafsiri yake ni nini? Present tense inaweza pia kutumika kuelezea tabia, kwenye mabano, mazoea, ukweli au hali zisizobadilika. Kwa hiyo basi, tunapotaka kujua maana ya present tense, wakati uliopo, tunasema ya kwamba ni aina ya wakati unaotumika kuonyesha matendo ambayo yanafanyika sasa hivi. Ukitaka kuelezea kitu cha sasa hivi, unatumia present tense. Katika mazungumzo yako ya kila siku, ukiwa kazini, kwenye biashara, shuleni, nyumbani, au mahali popote pale ambapo utakuwepo. Utatumia nini ukiwa unaelezea mambo yanayofanyika sasa hivi? Utatumia present tense. Sasa tuangalie types of present tense. Tusome types of present tense. Tafsiri yake kwa Kiswahili ni nini? Aina za wakati uliopo. Aina za wakati uliopo. Types of present tense, aina za wakati uliopo. We have 4 types of present tense. Tuna aina 4 za wakati uliopo. The first type is simple present tense. In Kiswahili is wakati uliopo mazoea. Simple present tense, wakati uliopo mazoea. The second is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, wakati uliopo endelevu. Wakati uliopo endelevu. And the third is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, wakati uliopo timilifu. Wakati uliopo timilifu. Number 4, or the fourth type of present tense, is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense in Kiswahili is wakati uliopo timilifu endelevu. Wakati uliopo timilifu endelevu. Are we together, class? Therefore, this is our introduction on present tense. We know the meaning of present tense. Tunajua maana ya present tense kwa Kiingereza na tafsiri yake ya Kiswahili. Si hivyo tu, tukaendelea na types of present tense, aina za wakati uliopo. Aina ngapi? 1, 2, 3, 4 kwa Kiingereza na kwa Kiswahili. Kipindi kijacho cha mwendelezo kitakuwa kinazungumzia aina hii ya kwanza ya simple present tense. Najua wengi wenu mna shauku ya kujua aina hizi 4 zinahusu nini. Usijali, tuendelee kuwa pamoja, tunaenda kuchambua kipengele kimoja baada ya kingine kiundani zaidi ili upate kuelewa kuhusu mada yetu ya tense, wakati. Asanteni sana, ni Mwalimu Jeremia hapa. Thank you. Goodbye.